caught getting my kitty pounded by my boyfriend. In the locker rooms, I'm a 18-year-old senior in high school, and I've been on the cheer team since freshman year, and it's been a big part of my high school experience. But lately things have been really tough. That all started when I started dating my boyfriend Alex. He's the sweetest, most supportive guy I've ever met, and just being an all-around amazing boyfriend. But not everyone sees it that way. Ever since Alex and I got together, first I thought I was imagining it, but it's gotten worse over time. For how I don't deserve someone like Alex. It's like they resent me for being happy. The worst part happened last week. We had a big game and during halftime, I realized I had forgotten my water bottle in the locker room. So Alex being the sweetheart, since everyone was either on the field or in the stands, so I didn't think anything of it. A few minutes later I needed to use the restroom, so I went to the locker rooms, and ended up in the wrong restroom. Let's just say I kissed him and things began to escalate. In my shorts as well. To keep it PG, I was laying on a long bench welded in